In this video, I want to show you how you can create a quick review link that you can use to share the different places with different people that you want to review your product quickly and easily. So what you need to do is to take the link that I provided in the resource section. The link will look like this. And at the end of the link, it will say ASIN and then a number. So every product on Amazon, including yours, has what is called an ASIN number. And the way you find that is you go to Amazon and then you look up your product. Let's say you're selling a yoga mat. Just to use an example here. So you're selling this yoga mat. And then if you go under details, it will list a ASIN number right here, ASIN. So you just copy that ASIN number, control copy, and then you insert that here at the end of this link. And now this link will go directly to a page where people can review that product. So let me just copy, and then let me just open a new one here and insert. And there you go. Here you can go directly here and you can rate it and say, for example, I want to give it 5 stars, and then you can write it's great or whatever. So that is how you do it. It's pretty easy, and you need to have this quick link. It's much easier than having just saying to people, go and review my product on Amazon. If you just give them a direct link, they just need to click once. There's no problem. They need to be logged in though. So if they're not logged in on their Amazon account, the link will take them to a page where they need to log in, and then it will go to this page where they can leave the review.